Waking up around 4 a.m. Trying to figure out decisions that I made. I just wanna know if you were doing okay, 'cause I always think of you every day. I want you, need you, miss you, love you. Standing in a cold pouring rain, and this is how I feel, the love you're giving. It was raining when you left that day, together with my heart and just gone away. Do you know I can't love anymore? Letting go is harder than you know. I can't love anymore. Letting go is harder than you know. I always see your face in every sky, remembering every moment, just you and I, thinking about it all the time. But why you say that you love me in your last goodbye? Goodbye, goodbye. The skies turn so dark and the heavens cry. Lightning makes me lonely. Every time I hear, I feel so strange, and I wish I can hear this voice from the deep inside. It's the call of your heart. I close my eyes and maybe I'm fine, passage out of the dark. That this is just a bad dream, you'll always be my everything. I always see your face in every sky, remembering every moment, just you and I, thinking about it all the time. But why you say that you love me in your last goodbye? Goodbye, goodbye. The skies turn to dark.